Today we're going to do mud guards on this Kona.
Look at me with a brand new Hyundai.
These are mud guards. We're just doing the front because that's all they want. Let me get the camera mounted around my neck on some weird thing. Opened up. We got our guards. Should be labeled right here, left, right. We'll just do the left one because it's going to be the same on the other side. We got little pieces here, maybe for the little screws. Our drill. Come into the car. We're going to take this off here. And then you can kind of size this up to see which ones we're using. So we got these two there. There's a clip back here. And we got this little tab that's going to go under here. So we get this little clip out. Now I do have some future plans for the channel. Think about maybe starting a store and premium service for a store and a premium, whatever that premium setup is. We do questions and answers, Q&A, and get other techs involved. Also get sales involved for questions. Let me know what you think about that. I have to look into how to set some of this stuff up because I don't know. You see this little tab here. I'm going to take our this little piece here. See if you can see that. You can see there's a little spot there. Take this. See that one end sticks up a little bit. I'm going to put that towards the inside. Slide that on there. Alright, I dropped it. So I took it off. I mean, I didn't really have it on there. So it can be easier to slide this clip here. I think I might need like a screwdriver or something to help. Hopefully you saw that, but I kind of held it up there and then used a screwdriver to push it over. The big screws comes with new ones. They go there. They come with a new clip. So this is a new clip. The old clip. You can probably use the old clip if you want. The new one. I'm just going to push that in. Then we have the smaller screw, which is going to go right on the bottom into that clip that we put in there. What? Got them all started. I'm just going to tighten them up. saw that. We got the one here, new clip. We got it in there. Just a note, when you put those on, make sure this little tab that's flipped up is on the inside. So this flat, smooth part is the part sticking down. We'll slide it right in that slot and over, and that's what that little screw is going to go into. And that's why these are the, get the two big ones here, the clip, and then the littler one. So this is going to go like that, and threads right into there. You got that up. That's going to be you do the same thing on the other side. Here's the old parts. You can I always hold on to these clips. The screws you don't need, but you want to hold on to something. But extra clips are always good to have. You got a whole pile and stuff of extra clips. You never know when you come across or you need some, or some that are missing. Hold something on, replace some. Thanks for watching.